Hi everybody, good morning, evening, and night from wherever you might be watching us. My name is Lassen, and welcome to the fair. We're trying to find a secret bar, or a secret password for a secret bar. Well, that was so much easier than I thought. We kind of just got it said invitation only, and we got the invite. So, Faith and I are on our way to, what is it called? A secret bar. Yeah, so let's do it. Welcome to Delmar Fair. We found it.
Kitchen floor, it seems like you can't take no more. I'm sorry, but when my engine starts, I just can't get enough.
Enjoy the ride, everybody.
You up and tie it down, so you'll be here, won't sneak around. I'll lace you up and put you on. Running for you every day and night. I'm running for you, gotta move, don't want no ride. So warm me up, cause I know the world is at my feet, yeah. So take me higher, baby, let's go and hit the streets, yeah. So I'll keep running for you. So I'll keep running for you. Every day and night, I'm running for you, gotta go and step outside. So warm me up, cause I know the world is at my feet, yeah. So take me higher, baby, let's go and hit the street.